Good day, everyone. Welcome to this channel, Profit Online Hustles. On this channel, we discuss entrepreneurship, we discuss sales and marketing, we discuss content creation, motivation, affiliate marketing, and every other thing you need to succeed in this online journey. So, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Please put up a thumbs up to this video, like, share it, make a comment on under it, and then check the description box if you need to contact me or put a question in the comment section. And if you are a new friend, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated immediately we drop other valuable videos. So in today's video, we shall be going through how to create 3D book cover mockups. How to create 3D book cover mockups. Let's go straight. So the first thing you will need is to go to your Play Store. If you don't have the app you are going to be using, is to go to your Play Store and download this app called Canva. C-A-N-V-A, Canva. Can you see it? So this Canva, mine is showing update, but yours is going to show install. So go ahead and install the app. So immediately you're through, you come to the app, you register. Just click on it and register. So immediately you register, we'll go to the search bar here and type book cover. Type book cover. So it will bring templates that are already there for you. All you need to do is just to modify them a bit, change some things, and use. So let me just look for one that we can easily use fast here. Okay, let's use this one. Just hide and seek. So I will change the title a bit, change the name, and then we'll get it done. Okay, so let me edit. Let me write love and marriage. Love and marriage. Okay, so let me reduce the font size so that it can at least. Okay, so let's leave it this way. Let me change the name by Akinjude Samuel. Okay, so when you're through with that, just come to this place and download. Can you see? So just come here and click on the download button. It will show. Now it's downloading. So immediately you're through downloading it, then we go to the site where we want to turn it into a 3D book cover mockup. All right, it's true. So let's go to any of your browser. Let me use Chrome here, and here just type DIY book covers.com, DIYbookcovers.com. To go straight to where we are going, just put /3D mockups. Okay, so that it will take you. All right, it's already here. So our first assignment is to pick the template we want. So let me pick this one, and then you next, then you browse. Okay, and then upload. You browse and upload. So let's wait for it a bit. You will soon see it here. It's already coming. It's already coming. Can you see it? All right, so immediately it comes, it uploads. Then we'll go to this place again. You click on next. Can you see next beside it? And then click on PNG. Click on PNG and expect it to download. Here is it. Now open. Can you see it? Can you see? Beautiful, amazing, awesome. All right, so this is how to create 3D book cover mockups. And you may be thinking, so what do I do with this kind of information? See, let me show you what people do with just this thing. Let's go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and let's search. You too, you can come on Canva, register there, and then begin to work. Let's just type book cover mockups. Let's see. Search. Can you see? Can you see people doing book cover? $20. Can you see $20 here? $20. So $5, 5, 5, 5, 10. Can you see 5? Create 20 book covers within seconds. $5, $10. So this is how people do book covers and make money with it. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you are new, don't forget, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will answer it in due time. Alright, till we meet in the next video. Thank you.